Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're taking a look at something new, something different that I've never done before. PS4. So as you see here, I guess power is on. It goes blue light into white light, but there's no HDMI out. I tried resetting the video settings and all that fun stuff. Nothing seems to work. I don't know. I don't know anything about PS4s. This is my second time actually tackling one. I think what I need to do is replace an HDMI port. So I got a pack of two because I don't know how this is gonna go. So there's my pack of two. I think I can try replacing this, and if that doesn't work, then I go to the encoder chip or something like that. I don't know. Either way, plan for today is to, as you see, white light, yellow light to death. Plan today is to open it up and try swapping out the HDMI port, I guess, and see how that goes. And hopefully it goes somewhere, and if not, I don't know, at least we tried. I think if it doesn't work, I'm gonna try swapping out the encoder chip, I think it's called. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna take it apart, give it a shot, and see how this turns out. So, since you guys are already up here, we're just gonna go into time-lapse mode. Remember that time-lapse I promised? Yeah, didn't happen, but that's what did happen. So this is our HDMI port, and I think those pins, like these and those over there, aren't supposed to be the way they are. So essentially, gotta replace this with what I'm guessing one of these. I don't know for sure. But yeah, so essentially what we are going to do, I'll show you, is so this is our HDMI port, right? I'm guessing it's just, oh sorry, that's our port right there. I'm guessing it's just 4 legs, I don't know. I guess so. I just want to add a little bit of leaded solder to help it flow easier. So that's what we're gonna do. And like I said, it wasn't shown because my camera died. Warranty sticker wasn't removed, so I guess this should work. But I never did one, so we'll find out. Yeah, we got a little bit of leaded solder. I think I just gotta blast it with like, I don't know, 450, I guess maybe. I usually go 350, but I guess we can do 450/30 on my quick. I don't know the proper way to do it, so I'm gonna just add a little bit of flux over here too. I think we can basically heat it from this side. Ooh, I'm gonna have to zoom out for this one. Yeah. So here's the plan: heat it from this side. This guy should just fall out. Yeah. Let's give it a shot. surprised if I pull some pads, but I guess we'll find out when we flip this, won't we? And yes, I did. I pulled many pads, so... expected for my first time, I guess, maybe. Well, time to rebuild pads. I don't have a microscope thing, so we'll just come back when I fix those. Alright, so I didn't make a total mess out of it. I actually didn't pull any of those pads, they were just lifted. I'm not sure if it's because the HDMI port was like funky looking like this, or if my heat was too low, or if I just pulled it too early. But either way, I used 450C on the quick at 60 airflow, so I don't know if that's enough or not. If it isn't, let me know what you guys used. I just kind of put them back down, use a little bit of solder mask, UV lighted it, and I think we're good to go. So this is my new port. It looks identical, I guess, so that's how it looks. I guess I just flow it back on using the same kind of airflow, and then I'll touch it up with the soldering iron and kind of see what happens. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna zoom out and try doing this all in reverse, I guess. So let's give it a shot. Alrighty guys, so here we go. I think you saw it being put back together, but there it is. I think it's all on correctly, it looks good to me. That's it from the back. That's it from the other side. So yeah, from here, I'm just gonna put it back together. In the, I guess in 1, 2. Wow, that was cool. Back together as much as I want it to be. Gonna power it on. I don't know, let's see if anything happens. So I see a blue light. I don't know the light sequence. I think it's gonna go from blue to white. Oh, look. Nice. Alrighty, first HDMI install, I guess, successful. That was a lot of trials and tribulations. Wish I didn't pull the pads, but I guess that's a learning experience. I think that's normal. Cool. So the one pad I missed was just a ground, I guess. Not ground, no connect. And every other pad worked. I have been getting back to using my microscope, so I do it from like that height, and it gives me enough wiggle room. I also got a new soldering iron. Set to 360, and I use different tips to get it done. A smaller one and a normal one, but yeah, there we go. Cool. PlayStation logo on. So I'm gonna say this is a success. I don't think it's gonna get any better than that. Maybe hard drive's busted. I don't know. Oh no, there we go. So it's on the PS logo, PS screen. Cannot connect to network. That's fine. Cool. So we are successful here. I'm not gonna put it back any more together because I want to clean in all that stuff. Alrighty, changed my mind. Here's PS3 in its full put back together glory. Looks kind of dirty because that's the way I got it. Power on. Blue light. Takes a while to go to yellow. I mean white. But it goes. Flashes blue. Flashes blue. Imagine if it doesn't work now. I don't know why it does that. It sounds like it turns off and then back on. Maybe that's the way it's supposed to work. I don't know. Oh, probably because it didn't get turned off correctly. But that's it turning on, and I would love to show you it reading a game, but I don't got one of those, so can't show you one down here right now, nor can I show you it past this because I also don't have a controller. But as you see, it works here, works fine. That's it back together. That's it showing its beautiful white light. This is the screen, just it rebooting, I guess, to finish its little query stuff that it was doing. And yeah, once again, if you find this useful or interesting or something of the sort, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe. It's always useful. And yeah, once again, as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya!